Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike Green. I'm one of the owners of 1A Auto. I want to help you save time and money repairing and maintaining your vehicle. I'm going to use my 20+ years experience restoring and repairing cars and trucks like this to show you the correct way to install parts from 1AAuto.com. The right parts installed correctly. That's going to save you time and money. Thank you and enjoy the video.
In this video, we're going to show you how to service a headlight on this 2008 Equinox, same as any 05 to 09 Equinox. The tools you'll need are flat blade screwdriver, and then you'll need an 8mm and 10mm socket. You'll need a ratchet and extensions as well. And we're going to show you both replacing the whole light if you have a broken one or a clouded and faded one, as well as just servicing the bulbs.
First, you're going to want to remove this center bar, and it's not too difficult. Use a flat blade screwdriver on the edge. Carefully go in here and pry out some. Okay, and then pry out towards the middle a little more. Okay, and what I do is usually just give this here a good tap. Now I gotta get it to unlock from the headlight here. Okay, and then repeat that for the other side. Okay, and eventually this whole bar comes off. Okay, on the back side, it has little plastic clips. You can see one broke off there. Okay, they're all good in the middle. Two have broken off on this side. Usually, if you've got a broken one, it's okay to kind of grab one from the middle here. Okay, and then put it on the outside. Always important that you have them on at least the outsides and then some of the middle ones. Now there's 3 bolts to remove, 2 8mm, one here, and then there's a 10mm way down right in there. Okay, the 10mm is usually the hardest. I've got a couple extensions on my ratchet right down.
Okay, we'll just speed up here as we take those 3 bolts out. The one that's way down low, the 10mm, is going to be the most difficult. It's on there with some Loctite, so you'll have to put a little effort into it.
Those bolts off. This tab here, you pull up, and then it comes out. There's a little tab that locks down, and then you want to grab the headlight down at the bottom on the edge, and you want to give it a good there's a pivot ball at the bottom. So you want to give the light a good tug, okay, and then kind of come out, up, and out with it. Okay, and now in behind here, okay, press on the tab here, and disconnect your headlight bulb. Okay, and then these bulbs, you can either press the tab and disconnect them, or you also can twist, and that one comes out. This one up here also twists, and this one here twists and comes out. Okay, if you're just looking to replace your light bulb, okay, this ring twists, comes off, remove your bulb, reinstall it, and put the ring back on. All these bulbs, the smaller ones, pull out, push back in. This larger one, twist counterclockwise, comes out in twist clockwise. You push down when you're twisting. Okay, and you can also disconnect any of these sockets. Press a tab there. Okay, this one just press down there. This one, press a tab here as well. Disconnect. Okay, new light from 1A Auto. You can see it's just like the original. It's got all the original mounting points and everything. Okay, if yours has been broken or if it's clouded and faded and you just want better visibility, and it's going to reinstall, what I usually do is just kind of peel some of this plastic away from the edges. Kind of put it back in place. Connect our headlight. Okay, this is here. This goes here. And this one on here. And the harness is all connected. Make sure you pull the plastic off the bottom and the sides. Kind of put your light down and in. Actually, put your light down and in. Make sure your wires go down below the metal support here. Pull on that right there a little bit. And putting your light into place. Okay, push this upper one back and on. Okay, make sure the lower one gets lined up and it goes back and in. And then you put your mounting screws back on.
Okay, now I'm going to speed up here as I put the two upper ones in by hand first, then tighten them up, then feed the lower one down in. I just put it in by hand first, then tighten them up. And all these bolts, you want them firm, but don't over tighten them.
Plastic off. Put your spring bar back on. And you're all set.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.